ready to turn your Hamster Kombat empire into cold, hard cash. Alright, listen up because I am about to drop the truth bomb you've all been waiting for as of today, June 17, 2024. There's no official way to directly withdraw real money from Hamster Kombat. Yep, you heard that right, the game simulates crypto trading, but the coins you earn inside the game are not currently convertible to real-world currency. However, don't lose hope. The developers have hinted at future integrations with cryptocurrency exchanges and potential token launches. The key here is staying informed. Make sure you are glued to the official Hamster Kombat Telegram channel for the latest announcements and any updates regarding potential withdrawals. This is where all official news will break. Also, keep an eye out for partnerships with crypto exchanges if Hamster Kombat launches its own token. These exchanges might be the places where you can eventually trade your in-game coins. Do your own research and never share your personal information or crypto wallet details with unverified sources. In the meantime, keep building your Hamster Kombat empire, stay tuned for updates, and let's hope those virtual coins turn into real treasure soon. Like and subscribe for more Hamster Kombat tips and tricks.